Did you know that with $20, which is 11,500, you could invest in the US stock market from Nigeria and make some profit when the stock of the company you purchased rises?
I'm rich.
In today's video, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how to invest in the US stock market from Nigeria and make some profit. By the way, my name is Mike Irumaka, and right here on my YouTube channel, I make videos around business, personal finance, and tech. And if this interests you, do not forget to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and hit the subscribe button. And without much talks, let's dive right into today's video. Let's go.
Now, one eternity later.
So guys, in order for you to be able to invest in the US stock market, you need four things. You need a smartphone, you need an internet connection, you need to download the Bamboo app, and then you need to have 11,400 naira, which is equivalent to $20, and then you can now get started in investing in the US stock market. For the smartphone, I'm making use of the Samsung Galaxy A22. You can make use of any smartphone of your choice as long as it has a 3G network. You can make use of that. For the internet connection, I subscribe to 5,000 naira for 40 gig by Airtel. If you don't have up to 5,000 naira, you can just subscribe with 500 naira or 200 naira. Just have that on your phone and you can actually make use of that. And then you need to download the Bamboo app. For the Bamboo app, you need to go to the Play Store, search for Bamboo, and then you download the app. I'll walk you through it. So for the Bamboo app, all you have to do is go to the Play Store. When you open the Play Store, search for Bamboo on the Play Store. Bamboo, which is this. For you to spot the Bamboo app is the one that has a green background with a white leaf icon. So you click on it. Personally, I already have it installed on my device. If you don't have it installed, just click on the install button, which is going to be shown at the right hand side. If you have it already installed, just click on open. You open it. For me, I don't update my app, so I just have to search for the Bamboo app on my phone. Bamboo. So this is the Bamboo app. So once you install the Bamboo app, you're going to be seeing this page, this black screen page that is welcoming you to Bamboo. Then you click on get started or login. If you don't have an account, you click on get started. If you have an account, you click on login. Personally, I have an account, so all I have to do is click on the login button. One thing for you to know is that if you don't have an account, you need to have your NIN by the side when you're signing up on Bamboo, because your NIN is one way they're going to use to know whether you're a human being. And if you want to be able to buy any stock at all, you need to have your NIN. If not, you cannot even fund your account or even do anything on the Bamboo app. And once you're signing up again, it's going to take them some few days for them to verify your account. Personally, it took me for I think about 2 or 3 days for the Bamboo team to actually verify my account. So you need to have this at the back of your mind. So I click on the login button. I have to log in. I have to put in my phone number. This is my phone number and my password, and click on login. While you wait for it to log in, okay, no need for this, just skip. Okay, as you can see, I have $20 on my Bamboo app. I don't know if you can see this, but I have $20 which is already funded in my Bamboo app. I'm still going to show you how to fund your account. So let's just do an overview of the home interface of the Bamboo app. So you can see here is where you're seeing how much you have in your account. I have $20. Then you can see special offers. You can claim a free stock advice, get a free stock advice. Then you can see the featured teams. These featured teams is where you're going to see different industries and their different stocks. It's up to you for you to decide. Then you can see the top movers. These are the stocks that have moved the highest today. So you can see UPST Upstart has done 36.74%. So maybe if you have invested in Upstart maybe yesterday, your money is going to be up by 36.74%. Then you have DNRC, you have ALKS, TLDA. These are different stocks that have done big numbers these few days. Then you can see the stock of the month, which is Costco wholesale stock. Then you can now see the featured stock. You can see Apple, you can see Amazon, you can see Walt Disney, you can see ET Energy, you can see FB, which is Meta now. Another wonderful stocks, you can see Netflix. And then you can now see the recent news. You know, if you're a stock investor, the news is going to have to be your friend. So Bamboo has made it easy for you to get the what's currently happening in the marketplace, for you to be able to not to make blind decisions. So you can see the recent news. Then you can see at this below these tab buttons here, you can see the watch list. Personally, on my watch list, I have Apple. If you have any stock you want to keep an eye on, you can basically add it to your watch list. I put Apple on my watch list. I'm just eyeing Apple. And I added it for 5 days ago, as you can see here, and Apple is currently down 0.78%. So probably if I had bought Apple, my money would be down 0.78%. Then you can see the learn button. If you have any questions about the stock, how do I buy stock and all that stuff, you can quickly come over to the learn section or category of the Bamboo app, and you get to fill your head with some basic knowledge about the stock market or how to make use of the Bamboo app. Then you now have the help. If you have any questions about Bamboo, if you're having any issues at all, you can quickly text the Bamboo team and they'll reply you ASAP. And that's one thing I like Bamboo about. You now have the profile. As you can see, like I said, I have $20 in my Bamboo app. I can withdraw the money if I want. I can still deposit in more money. I can invite a friend. I can invite a friend via text, copy link. I can give somebody a stock. I've not yet reached that stage. So the most important thing for us here is how to deposit in money in Bamboo. So in order for you to deposit in money, once you come over here, you click on deposit. You can do it instant or you can do it 1 to 2 business days. Personally, when I was depositing my $20, it took a few days for the Bamboo team to verify it. So let's now try to deposit in money. So all you have to do is to put in how many dollars you need to put in. You cannot put in anything less than $20. So you have to put in $20 here. $20. So currently now $20 is now $11,580, as you can see here. So the dollars to naira keeps on fluctuating. So you click on instant. When you click on instant, you click on deposit. You can now decide how much you want to deposit, whether it's 20. You can decide whether it's through bank transfer, whether it's through NGN credit card. It's up to you. So for me, all you have to do is select through bank transfer if you don't have a debit or credit card. But if you have a debit or credit card, you put in debit or credit card, and you can see here there is difference. If you are doing through bank transfer, it's much more cheaper. It's going to be 12,309 naira. If you are doing through debit or credit card, it's going to be 12,321 naira. So I don't know, it depends on you which one is easier for you. So you click on bank transfer. For bank transfer is cheaper. I love cheap things. So you click on bank transfer. Once you click on bank transfer, something is meant to show up, and you click on bank transfer. They're actually charging me 729 naira just to deposit the money to invest in the stock market, which is crazy. So guys, once you click on bank transfer, a bank will come out, which is usually Wema Bank, where you can now transfer in money, and the Bamboo team will now verify it from the back end, and you can proceed. Well, no need for us to start passing through all that. We already have $20 here. Let's just start investing in the US stock market. So guys, in order for us to buy our first stock, all we have to do, okay, let's choose a category now. So I think metaverse is the future. So let's look at the metaverse stocks and just look at, okay, have AMD. I think AMD has great prospects because these companies, like, is more than 20 years old. These companies of the 90s. We have Nvidia. You have Facebook, Meta. So let's just invest in Meta. Meta is, all of us know Facebook, which is Meta now. So let's just buy some more Facebook shares. And currently Facebook is trading for $215.02 for one share or one stock of Facebook. So let's just buy Facebook. So all we have to now do is click on FB. Click on FB. You see, Facebook is currently down 2.65%. Wow, they have lost $5.86, but let's just see. As you can see here, you can actually set the price alert, or you can compare Facebook to other stocks if you want. You can compare it to Apple, but I just want to buy Facebook. I don't want to compare it. So all you have to just do is click on buy. But before you buy, you can see here, you can look at the history of Facebook stock. It fell. Now Facebook is actually down at the moment, as you can see. It's trading, this is where it's trading at, but its all-time high recently was at $221.04. This is the highest Facebook have gone over the last few days. So let's just buy. Click on buy. Then you click on buy. You can decide to buy now. You can decide to buy when price decreases. You can decide to buy when price increases, but I want to buy now. So when you click on buy now, how much worth of Facebook shares I want to buy? I want to buy, let me see, I want to buy $5 worth of Facebook shares. $5 worth of Facebook shares. Okay, let's click on preview buy. As you can see here, you have the other type, which is market buy. You have the shares I'm going to be buying for $5, which is 0.022892 shares for $5. Then you have the estimated amount. I'm going to be spending 4.92 to buy this particular number of shares with an estimated commission of 0.07 cents. This is how much Bamboo is going to collect from my $5, and then total amount is now $5. So you click on buy. So guys, as you can see here, it's saying congratulations, we just purchased the stock. We just purchased Meta. hopefully it grows. So we just bought our first stock using the Bamboo app. So it's just very, very easy. Fund the account and look for a stock to buy, and then you buy it. So guys, the stock I bought already down. What I have here now is $19.92. It's already down by 0.01. But yeah, I believe by tomorrow it's going to be up again. So we just purchased Facebook, which is Meta. Let's see if we can buy another stock. Okay, let's we have purchased from the Metaverse. Let's go to the let's see, look for self-driving. I believe self-driving is the future, self-driving cars. So let's look for companies in there. Tesla, I think Tesla is going to be here. Okay, we have Apple here, we have Tesla. So let's buy some Tesla shares from Nigeria here. So what we have to do, okay, Tesla is actually down 1.05%, which is 9.68 today. But let's buy some Tesla shares. As you can see here, Tesla has been high to almost $922, which is good. But currently it's down. It means that if we buy and hold for maybe a long time, it can actually rise and we can make some good money. So let's buy some Tesla shares. I believe in Tesla, I believe in Elon Musk. So click on buy. I hope you guys are not distracted by the background noise. Touch people. This is Nigeria, I cannot complain. So let's click on buy now. I want to buy $5 of Tesla shares, which is equal to 0.005478 of Tesla shares. So you click on preview buy, other type market buy, estimated amount 4.92. Bamboo collects 0.07 commission for processing it for us. So let's click on buy. Sending order, purchase successful. Can you see it? So we have successfully bought Tesla shares, and now to the moon. So let's go back. So once you buy a share, they are going to actually email you that you have just purchased your order has been successful. You can actually check our mail, we'll see, but I have some private info there, so I can't check it. So we have been able to buy 2 successful shares from Nigeria here. So this is a good way to actually make money from Nigeria on the long run, if you're willing to be patient enough after buying a share. But remember to always do your research. Before buying any stock from the United States, from Nigeria here, it's important that you do some fundamental analysis, like checking the all-time high of the stock you intend to buy, checking the all-time low of the stock you want to buy, checking the financial track record of the company, whether they hit their previous year financial targets, whether they made profit or loss, or whether they hit their sales targets, whether their sales revenue is actually high, or whether it went lower than the previous years. So these are some little analysis you need to make. Also check whether there's anyone that has sold a huge stake from the company. Also check for the recent news of that company, whether there's any bad news or whether they're having a good PR. These are some little analysis you need to do before buying any stock. Investing in the US stock market is actually a good opportunity for many of us in Nigeria here. We know the problem we are facing with the Naira to dollar, where the Naira is going higher and the dollar is just beating it. So I think investing in the US stock market is a good way to actually make money for yourself from Nigeria here. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I have other wonderful videos on my channel, or investment opportunities in Nigeria, side hustles that could make you money, and business opportunities in Nigeria that can actually make you money. So you can click on the end screen showing on your screen right now to watch them. And without being said, guys, see you on the next one. They will know.